Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing the slow transformation of Black Widow over the years. Black Widow is one of the most badass female superheroes in the MCU. Black Widow has proven countless times that she can seriously kick butt on screen compared to her male contemporaries. However, in terms of looks, not only is she one of the most attractive Avenger, but she is also one of the most recognizable character due to her slick red hair and her famous black jumpsuit. Iron Man 2. Recruited by Fury as a top agent, Black Widow made her debut appearance as an undercover SHIELD agent who was essentially babysitting Tony Stark. Her job as an agent was to deceive people like Pepper and Happy while also stopping enemies like Justin Hammer and Whiplash. She presented herself as being reserved, which was why she did not instantly befriend Tony Stark. In Iron Man 2, Black Widow had a curly long and dark red hairstyle. She eventually revealed her bluish black cat suit, which was SHIELD uniform. The catsuit featured the SHIELD logo on her right upper arm along with a utility belt and thigh holsters that held her gadgets and guns.
I meant your fingerprint.
The Avengers. In her first superhero team-up, she helped Fury recruit some of the most Avengers to face Loki. While showing herself to be manipulative and untrusting, she was more friendly to her fellow teammates. Viewers also saw a more horrified Black Widow when Banner turned into Hulk. Her reactions showed that the agent was not always as fearless as she appeared. In the Avengers, Black Widow adjusted her hairstyle with a lighter red color and shorter length haircut to her shoulders. Her hair also goes from a very curly to a wavy look. Her suit had a slight change as it was black compared to the bluish black cat suit. Avengers Age of Ultron. Following the fall of SHIELD, Black Widow became a full-time Avenger. Black Widow was close to her Avenger teammates, especially Captain America and Hulk. She even showed herself to be a great and caring aunt to Burton's children. However, the film also focused on Black Widow's dark past, which depicted her feelings of regret. Black Widow returned to her short shoulder-cut hairdo from the Avengers in Age of Ultron. Her suit had some upgrades. The suit was the first to the SHIELD logo on the right arm. Her bracelet changed to red color from her usual black bracelet. Her uniform also featured blue electrical strips that were around the edges of her suit to add additional electrical power to her widow's white. Captain America Civil War. Following the tragic events of Lagos, Black Widow decided to become diplomatic to help regain the public's trust. Her position even seemed unusual, given her past as a former agent. She tried to do what was right, which meant soaring her friendship with Captain America and Hawkeye. Despite her attempts to remain a mediator between two conflict sides, she dismayed with the outcome and eventually switches sides to support her close friend Captain America. Black Widow once again transformed her shorter hair to a longer one in Civil War. Her hairstyle is a combination of her hairstyle in Iron Man 2 and the Winter Soldier with a layered haircut that is wavy at sides. Avengers Infinity War. Her biggest transformation occurred in Infinity War. While she continued the pattern of sporting short hairdo for Avengers films, she no longer appeared with her famous red looks. Instead, she appeared with a straight and blonde hairstyle. Due to the impact of Civil War, Black Widow became a fugitive and therefore had to go into hiding, which meant changing her signature features. Like her hair, her uniform was different from her previous ones. She now wears a green vest over her all-black jumpsuit, while she still had the straps and belts to hold her gadgets.
Deal. Stay cool.
Mr. Secretary.
Avengers Endgame. After surviving the snap, Black Widow took a leadership position while communicating with other superheroes across the universe. However, she was devastated by the events of Infinity War. She lost her friend and failed to stop Thanos, which took an emotional toll on her. Throughout these 5 years, she realized how the Avengers were her family. She was willing to do anything to protect them. After 5 years, her red hair look returns with blonde ends. This hairstyle was also the first time the Black Widow braided her hairs on mission. In Avengers Endgame, Black Widow returned to her famous suit with ad pads and knee armors. Black Widow. While fans wait for the standalone Black Widow movie, the trailers already hinted at major transformation to Black Widow's looks. To kick off Phase 4, she goes on a journey into her past in which she encountered an old acquaintance. However, while dealing with her enemies, Black Widow is also faced with seeming her family. Black Widow shows off her all red long hair and braids to the side. Shockingly, she has two different uniforms throughout the trailer. The first uniform is the one that most fans remember, with her typical black suit. However, her other uniform is a white jumpsuit with black strappings and belt along with elements of red.
I'm done running.
So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.